na ako.
Fellow Rotarians and yes, good evening.
Good evening.
Especially to the comebacking Rotarians of RCUD. Indeed, this club is this club have a funny and happy meeting with you guys around. First of all, I would like to congratulate immediate past President Percy Salamera for a job well done. As we all know, let's give IPP Percy a round of applause. As we all know, immediate past President Percy Salamera has lead our club to greater heights. And for this achievement, for the achievements of IPP Percy, incoming District Governor Dulce Coyuctia rewarded his good efforts, and he was designated Assistant Governor Representative for the term of District Governor Dulce Coyuctia. For incoming President or for President Butch and Tisen, like what IPP Percy mentioned a while ago, just enjoy your presidency. But never forget that being a club president of RCUD comes with a great responsibility. My only advice for you, President Butch, is that like what my past president reminded me during my term as a club president. As club president, you should be the first to arrive during the meeting, and you should be the last to leave in our meeting. So, good luck to you, President Butch, and we would like to assure you that the whole membership of RCUD is behind you, not only past President Manny, but the whole rosters of the RCUD members, especially the comebacking Rotarians of RCUD, who will be the future members of RCUD Diliman Ikot. Thank you very much.